A very good morning to all my students. Students, I hope you all are fine and stay safe at your home. Now students, this is your maths period. Students, nowadays we are studying chapter number 10, that is geometry. Today we will study about the triangles and types of triangles. Students, now let's start your maths class. Students, today we will study about the triangles. A triangle is a polygon with 3 edges, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Edges means side, vertices means corner. So, triangle is a figure which has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Students, look at this figure. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. It has 3 vertices A, B, C and it has 3 angles. See? It has 3 angles. So, this is a triangle. It is denoted by triangle ABC. Students, this symbol is used to represent triangle. So, triangle is denoted by triangle ABC. Students, now we will study types of triangle. Various types of triangle can be classified by their sides and by their angles. Students, triangle can be classified on the basis of their sides and also on the basis of their angles. First of all, we will study classification of triangles by their sides. It means triangle can be classified on the basis of their sides. So, on the basis of their sides, triangle can be classified into 3 types. First is scalene triangle, second is isosceles triangle, third is equilateral triangle. Students, now come to first one, scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is a triangle that has no equal sides. It means scalene triangle is a triangle which has no equal sides. Students, look at this figure. This is a scalene triangle because here all the sides are different. It means it has no equal sides. See, AB is 4 cm, BC is 5 cm and AC is 6 cm. It means all the sides are different. It means this triangle has no equal sides. So this type of triangle is known as scalene triangle. Here AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an scalene triangle. Students, now come to second, isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has 2 equal sides. It means isosceles triangle is a triangle in which 2 sides are equal. Students, look at this figure. This is a isosceles triangle because here 2 sides are equal and one side is not equal. See, PQ is 4 cm and PR is also 4 cm. It means these 2 sides are equal, that is 4 cm. And QR is 5 cm, so this side is not equal. So students, in this triangle, 2 sides are equal. So this type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Here PQ is equal to PR. Therefore, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Students, now come to third, equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has 3 equal sides. Students, equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are equal. Students, look at this figure. This is an equilateral triangle. because here all the sides are equal. See, XZ is 5 centimeter, YZ is 5 centimeter and XY is also 5 centimeter. It means all the sides are equal, that is 5 centimeter. So this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Here XY is equal to YZ is equal to ZX. Therefore, triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle. Students, now we will study classification of triangles by their angles. It means on the basis of their angles, triangle can be classified into 3 types. First is right triangle, second is obtuse triangle, third is acute triangle. Students, now come to first one, right triangle. When a triangle has a 90-degree angle, is called a right angle triangle. It means a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. Then this type of triangle is known as right angle triangle. Students, look at this figure. This is a right angle triangle because here one angle is 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. Triangle MNO is a right angle triangle. Students, now come to second, obtuse triangle. When a triangle has one angle that is bigger than 90 degree is called an obtuse triangle. It means a triangle in which one angle is bigger than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Then this type of triangle is known as obtuse triangle. Students, look at this figure. This is an obtuse angle triangle because here one angle measures 120 degree. It means this angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this type of triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. Students, now come to third, acute triangle. When a triangle has all angles are less than 90 degree, so all angles are acute angles, is called acute angle triangle. It means a triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree, or a triangle in which all the angles are acute angles. Then this type of triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Students, look at this figure. This is an acute angle triangle because here all the angles are less than 90 degree. See, this angle is 60 degree. It means this angle is less than 90 degree. This angle is 40 degree. It means this angle is less than 90 degree. This angle is 50 degree. It means this angle is less than 90 degree. So all the angles are less than 90 degree. So this type of triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Triangle PQR is an acute angle triangle because here all the angles are less than 90 degree. Students, now types of triangle is over now. Students, note down your homework. Your homework is to learn all the definition with their diagram given in chapter number 10, that is geometry. Students, in this chapter, we will not do any exercises, but you have to learn only the definitions with their diagrams, which is given in chapter number 10, that is geometry. It means you have to learn all the definition which I have taught you, like what is a plane, what is a ray, what is a line segment, what is a line, what is a point, what is the angle, what are the types of angle, what is a triangle, what are the types of triangle. These are the definition. You have to learn it along with their diagram. So students, this is your homework. Students, these definition can also come in your exam also. So you have to learn all these definition with their diagrams.